Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bookkeeper Fazan. In this video lesson, I'm going to tell you how to install QuickBooks Desktop 2024 trial version. So whether it's trial or whatever, so you can download it. I have a trial version, so I'm downloading it. Double click it. It takes around 30 to 45 seconds to open up, and also depends upon your computer speed, right? Does not depend on your internet connection. If you don't have any internet connection, but you can also install it without.
Welcome to the QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions evaluation software. Enterprise Solutions is the most powerful QuickBooks product. It has the capabilities and flexibility to meet your business's unique needs as it grows, and it will save you thousands in upfront and ongoing system costs. Select the edition that best applies to you.
Make sure you have enough space in your hard drive, otherwise it will give an error. And please, I also told you this, that in my previous video, that you should have at least Windows 10 installed in your laptop or in your PC. Otherwise you can't install it. You can download your trial version or whatever version, but you cannot install it in your laptop or PC. It will give you an error because you don't have enough. You don't have that, Windows to play this desktop version, to use this desktop version. Ladies and gentlemen, installation complete after 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes installation complete. It takes around 6 to 7 minutes to install the QuickBooks Desktop. And automatically you will see the icon on your desktop when the installation is finished, when the installation complete as successfully installed. You can open QuickBooks. You will click Open QuickBooks. It takes around a minute, 45 seconds to a minute. Okay, now it is asking me which enterprise, for manufacturing, wholesale, professional services, what kind of. I say I want for, you can say, manufacturing and wholesale. Right, ladies and gentlemen. I am saying enterprise solution, manufacturing and wholesale. Right. So click next. You have selected manufacturing wholesale. According to that, it will show me the chart of accounts, right? If you install QuickBooks Desktop on more than one computer, you must install the same enterprise solution edition on each computer. Click finish to how to change later. finish. So it is creating on the basis of wholesale edition, which I'm occasionally interior updates automatic. Would you like to update now? No. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you install QuickBooks Desktop into your PC, into your laptop, right? So, I hope you understood the video. I hope you got the concept, right, ladies and gentlemen. This is I'm using the trial version. So that's how you can see, right? I already you can if you want. You can see I want to see a sample company. It will show you the sample. I'm ready to create my own company file, or you can also I want to open an existing company file. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So this is a file, or you can say open or restore company or whatever. For example, I'm going to open or restore company my which I have previously. So open a company file, click next, and now open. I am sample product based company. I have Vedant Bookkeeping LLC. I have sample product based business, whatever, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take sample product based company, sample product based business, which I have, right? Which I've already have a sample company. So I'm clicking it. You need to download the latest file, doctor. The update include the fix. I want to see a sample company. If you click this, okay. So what I'm going to do is open or restore company file, click next, and then open it, download. So that's how, ladies and gentlemen, you install uh, QuickBooks Desktop. Understand? I hope you understand. Until in my next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.